Hello guys and gals. No tutorial this week, I'm afraid. This is just a quick message to say happy holidays and a big thank you to every single one of you for a fantastic year. I'll be scrolling various statistics on screen that you have helped me achieve. Not that I'm doing this for the numbers. As the great Guy Kawasaki said, strive to make meaning or change, not money. The goal of the channel has been very much just to pass on as much knowledge as I can, having made music professionally now for 15 years, can you believe? However, those numbers and your comments are showing me that the knowledge is indeed being shared, so massive thanks to everyone who's shared, liked and commented. As for the channel moving forward, I do intend to continue the one tutorial a week, on top of my solo releases and releases with other artists too. Thanks to you guys, there are plenty of topics still to cover. So as they say, onwards and upwards. I will see you on the other side of 2022 in the new year. So have a good one. Thanks again for all your support this year. I'll see you next year. Bye bye.